You ready for some more street style? Because apparently I am. It's true. I'm starting out with this extra large plain black hoodie, which you know I thrifted, and it cost me around $5. First thing I'm doing is replacing the old hood strings with some super cool printed wide ones, just simply using a big safety pin to pull that all the way through. Then to finish off the ends of the new strings, I'm going to double fold the ends up and sew a straight stitch right there. Next, I'm putting some other really cool ribbon straight down the middle of the back, which I'm folding both of the ends under once to finish it off, and then sewing a straight stitch down each side of it, leaving a little bit hanging off the bottom too. Of course, inspired by street style, I wanted to attach some different metal pieces to the sweatshirt. So I got a few of these D-rings, which are originally for belts, from my favorite fabric store to decide from. I chose the two rectangle ones and decided to attach them with more of that white ribbon and some red ribbon, folding them under the rings so they'll be held in place. To attach them, I'm using my zipper foot to get as close to the rings as possible, making straight stitches here at the bottom, here to connect the two together, and then folding under the top edge of that red ribbon and stitching across there. I'm leaving the white ribbon hanging and finishing off the edge diagonally, folding that under as well and stitching. Next, I'm cutting slits up both of the sides to incorporate some metal zippers and highlighting them by stitching them on the outside instead of the inside and leaving the ends at the bottom undone as well. Here's how I decided to style my new street style hoodie using only thrift store finds.
Hey yo.
My mom gave me all my swag. Thanks, Mom. I styled this hoodie in as many different ways as I could because not only do I want to inspire you and take you through my process and the transformations that I do, but I also want to be able to help you with your own personal style. I personally struggled for years to find my own unique style, and there is no saying more true than when you look good, you feel good. It is so true. And I want to be able to help the people that, you know, just feel uninspired and kind of lost with their own personal style, because I know that it's really hard to do. And I know when you're feeling that way and you dress in a way that you don't like, you therefore feel kind of unattractive and not as confident as you would be. So I want to be able to help you if you're in this boat to put together your own style, and I want to be able to inspire you through the transformations that I do and the designs that I come up with, but also through carrying that out into wearing it every day. So if you find these looks that I put together beneficial to you, I am so happy you're here, and I am so thankful that you're watching my videos. Whoever you are, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!